Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor. Man called Scissor. Mr. Scissor.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we have a trimmer to look at. It is the Kemei Km-1855. So when I first saw this little guy on AliExpress, I thought, man, that looks like my Kemei 2293. Same blade setup and everything. And then I seen said it had USB-C. But they got me. It doesn't. It does have battery display. And it has a brushless motor. The 2293 does not. This thing sounds just like my TPOB EXO trimmer, but it has the same blade setup as my 2293. And as you know, I love the way my 2293 cuts. That factory blade that came on it cuts amazing. And I absolutely hated my TPOB EXO. And I hesitate to say that because I like the machine itself, but for some reason I couldn't get the blade to cut. I swapped it out to a babyless blade because that's what fit. And I always hated them, and I hated them for more than 10 years. I've never ever, I bought the set of their clippers when they first dropped, back when they came up with that nice cool looking design that everybody loved, and I absolutely hated them. I hesitated to even swap the blade on the EXO, so this one cuts so good. Feels like my EXO in a way. The ergonomics is a little different. The EXO had that little dimple, but it's slim. It's all metal. It feels good in my hand. It's just a nice right-sized trimmer in my opinion. But man, y'all know. Like I said, it was advertised that I had USB-C. It did not come USB-C. I saved the box for you guys because, let me find it. Variable speed. 2 adjustable speeds, more practical and convenient. This thing don't have no variable speeds. This has 1 speed and that's it. So 2 false advertisements on this machine. That sucks. I don't really care about the variable speeds because it cuts excellent. I just wish it had that USB-C. Yeah, that was the fails with that one. But other than that, I freaking love this thing. It cuts excellent in my opinion, and I just like the way it looks. It looks slim, it feels good, it feels all metal, it's got the weight to it. It's nice, quiet, it's got that brushless sound. It's not really loud, but it's not, you know, it's just nice. It's just nice. Battery display, man, that's all I really got to say about it. I just wish it had the USB-C. Y'all know. But they got me, so I probably wouldn't have bought that without the USB-C, but I'm glad I did because I really like it and I have plans for it. I am going to convert it and I will make a video for y'all of doing so because I want USB-C on this thing and I'll make it happen because I really like it. That's how much I like it. I'm willing to do this. So if some of y'all don't really care about USB-C, this is a really nice trimmer. Same blade. It looks pretty much the same to me. It has some little different parts to get it to mount to this clipper. But it is the same blade as the 2293. And I've been rocking with that one for the past months, man. I don't even know. 7 months, 8 months, 9 months. It's been a long time. Maybe 5. I don't know. It's been a long time. It's been literally my daily go-to. But I've been using this one now. I really like it. It has less chatter because of that brushless motor. Runs a long time. It tells me the battery. And I can't complain. Hope y'all enjoy. If y'all were looking at this one, there you go. Check it out. I like it. I recommend it. Very good price. And again, I want to thank you for watching, liking, sharing, commenting. And please continue to subscribe. Help this channel grow. And we will catch you on the next one.